हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रत्नत्राया में आपका स्वागत है। एंड आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेट 8 नंबर जो है एडिटोरिया का करंट अफेयर। ओके, सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट एनी डिले। एंड आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में ये बताइए कि कल जो मैंने बोला था खुद से अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए, क्या आप लोगों ने किया वो, और किया तो कितना मार्क्स आया आउट ऑफ 50। ओके, एंड सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, विच इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडिया स्टेट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रिपोर्ट 2023, द डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन बिहार विद द हाईएस्ट फॉरेस्ट कवर आर। ओके, सो बिहार में हाईएस्ट फॉरेस्ट कवर कौन कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है वो पूछ रहा है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट की अगर हम बात करते हैं, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज जमुई, मुंगेर, कैमूर। इज इट ट्रू? देखते हैं जमुई में कितना है। सो जमुई में है 607। ओके, 670 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। मुंगेर की अगर हम बात करते हैं, सो देखते हैं, और कैमूर का सबसे ज़्यादा है एज यू नो 1025 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। ओके, तो ये तो हमारा इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, कैमूर, जमुई एंड मुंगेर, मुंगेर, जमुई, वेस्ट चंपारण, जमुई एंड मुंगेर। सो आंसर इसका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विच इज़ कैमूर, जमुई एंड मुंगेर। ऐसे तो सबसे ज़्यादा कैमूर में है, देन वेस्ट चंपारण में है, देन फिर जमुई एंड देन मुंगेर। ओके, ये है सीक्वेंस, बट यहाँ पे वेस्ट चंपारण नहीं दिया था, तो उसके ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग कैमूर, जमुई और मुंगेर हो जाएगा करेक्ट आंसर, विच इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ओके, लेट्स कम। और अगर हम लोवेस्ट की बात करते हैं तो लोवेस्ट किसका हो जाएगा? लोवेस्ट सबसे कम कहाँ पे है फॉरेस्ट कवर? सो विच इज़ इन शेखपुरा, अरवल एंड बक्सर। ओके, सबसे कम कहाँ पे? शेखपुरा, देन अरवल, देन बक्सर। और शेखपुरा में कितना है? सो ओनली 0.82 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है, अरवल में 4 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर और बक्सर में 6 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज The Geological Survey of India has confirmed the presence of copper, zinc, and lead in the Kataskar Jhilwa region. In which district of Bihar is this region located? कहाँ पे located है? बांका, नालंदा, गया और रोहतास। So which is located in बांका? Option A is the correct answer for here. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच लिस्ट 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the given code. And here in list 1 provided important wetlands and in list 2 districts are provided. Okay, so let's match them. So first one is नकटी डैम। नकटी डैम कहाँ पे है? सो इट्स इन जमुई। नागी और नकटी दोनों जमुई में है। सुरसार लेक, ओके, विच इज़ इन सुपौल। करहिया लेक इन कैमूर एंड मनिहारी वेटलैंड इन कटिहार। सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 statements are correctly matched already. Okay, so option C is the correct here. Let's come to the next question, which is the central government has approved the construction of the Patna-Ara Sasaram 4-lane greenfield corridor. What is the total length of this road? 120.10 kilometer, 131.50 kilometer, or 150.20 kilometer, or 125.30 kilometer. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one. Its total length is 120.10 kilometer. Okay, next question is गेहून बनवा Gehun Banwa River has become the first river in the state to be desilted. Okay, in which district of Bihar does this river flow? किसमें फ्लो करता है? रोहतास, जमुई, कैमूर और जहानाबाद. So answer for this question is its flow in the Kaimur district, which is option number C is the correct answer here. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is which of the following companies has been selected to develop Bihta Airport in Bihar? Okay, किस कंपनी को सेलेक्ट किया गया है? So is it TCS, JSC और SCJ or none of the above? So answer for this question is company was selected, which is JSC, for the construction of the development of the Bihta Airport in Bihar. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is the Bihar government announced an increase in the dearness allowance of employee and pensioner receiving the 7th pay scale from 53% to what percent from January 1st 2025? कितना 53% से कितना परसेंट कर दिया गया? So 56%, 60%, 55% और 59%. So answer for this question is it will be increased 53% to 55%. Okay, so option C is the correct answer here. Let's come to the next question, which is where in Bihar will Ustad Bismillah Khan महाविद्यालय be established? कहाँ पे establish किया जा रहा है उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान महाविद्यालय? So it's in डुमराव, चोला, पूसा और काटा कौली. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct one, which is established in Dumrao. Okay, and if you're talking about the Bismillah Khan, ये कौन थे? So ये सहनाई प्लेयर थे. Okay, और इन्हें भारत रत्न भी मिला था कब? 2001 में. और ये 4th पर्सन थे जिनको भारत रत्न मिला था बिहार से. ओके, जो कि बिहार से थे. और अभी तक बिहार में कितने लोगों को मिला है? तो अभी तक बिहार में टोटल 5 लोगों को मिला है. ओके, सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज select the incorrect statement about the chief minister rural bridge scheme. Okay, chief minister rural bridge scheme के अकॉर्डिंग कौन सा स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है वो पूछा गया है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज it is an initiative to connect village with cities and strengthen infrastructure. It's a correct statement. Under this scheme, 649 new bridges will be constructed in 2025-26. It's also correct. Next one is the highest number of bridges have been approved in East Champaran. It's also correct. Next one is the total amount, which is 3000 crore, will be spent on the construction of the bridge. Is it true? No, it's not correct, because it's not 3000, it's 3688 crore. Okay, so इतना अप्रूव किया गया ना कि 3000 करोड़. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. और यहाँ पे पूछा गया था इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर है. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. India's first railway station where an AI-based robot जिसका नाम परी है has been deployed to assist passengers. So it's in Patna Junction, Delhi Junction, Mansi Junction and Asansol Junction. So answer for this question is which is deployed in Patna Junction. So option A is the correct answer here. Let's come to the next question, which is which sport is associated with the much talked about daughters of Bihar, which is Mahi Shwet Raj. Okay, so it's rugby, kabaddi, carom or swimming. So answer for this question is it's related to swimming. Okay, option number D is the correct answer here. Let's come to the next question, which is Karpuri Thakur has been awarded as Bharat Ratna in 2024, how many Biharis have received the Bharat Ratna so far? अभी तक कितने बिहारीज को भारत रत्न रिसीव किया है? ओके, सो 4 5 7 3. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट अभी 2 4 पहले क्वेश्चन मैंने बताया था कि कितना टोटल लोगों को मिला है, तो 5 को. ओके, और वो कौन कौन से था? सो अगर हम उस पांचों के नाम देखते हैं तो फर्स्ट कौन थे? सो फर्स्ट थे डॉक्टर BC रॉय. ओके, पहला थे BC रॉय, और इनको कब मिला था? सो इट्स इन 1961, फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड थे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, जिनको मिला था 1962 में, और जो कि इंडिया के फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट रहे थे. ओके, नेक्स्ट थे थर्ड वन विच इज़ JP नारायण. ओके, JP नारायण. एंड फोर्थ वन थे कौन? सो उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. ओके, जो कि एक शहनाई प्लेयर थे. बिस्मिल्लाह खान जो कि एक शहनाई प्लेयर थे, जिनको 2001 में मिला था. ओके, भारत रत्न. और पांचवें कौन थे? कर्पूरी ठाकुर. सो ये पांचों जिन्होंने भारत रत्न, जिन्हें अवार्ड मिला था भारत रत्न. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज माउंटेनियर लक्ष्मी झा. Mountaineer Lakshmi Jha has become the first Indian woman to climb Mount Kinabalu in Malaysia's highest peak. Which district of Bihar does she belongs to? किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट से बिलोंग करते सो? दरभंगा, मधुबनी, सहरसा और सीतामढ़ी. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज सी इज बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम सहरसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर है. ओके, let's come to the next question which is where will the Bihar University of Health Science proposed in 2026-27 budget be established? कहाँ पे? दरभंगा, मुजफ्फरपुर, बोधगया और मिठापुर पटना. So answer for this question is which is मिठापुर पटना is the correct answer here. Okay, let's come to the next question which is who wrote Nitish Kumar हिंदी बायोग्राफी. हु रोट नीतीश कुमार से हिंदी बायोग्राफी विच इज विकास पुरुष. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज संजय बारू, मुरली मनोहर श्रीवास्तव, सुभाष चंद्र गर्ग और शंकर शान ठाकुर. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन विच इज मुरली मनोहर श्रीवास्तव इज द करेक्ट आंसर है. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज which eminent person from Bihar was honored with the Padma Shri Award 2026 for his outstanding contribution in the fields of science and engineering agriculture? So, is it Dr. Gopal Ji Trivedi, Dr. Ram Gopal Verma, Dr. Siddheshwar Prasad or Dr. Janardhan Singh? So, answer for this question is option number A is the correct one which is Dr. Gopal Ji Trivedi is the correct answer here. Okay, let's come to the next question which is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the given code. Okay, so first list talks about the portal and apps and second list talk about the related areas. Okay, so first one is Mausam Bihar app is related to the planning and development department which is option 2, and next one is Befikra app related to water and resource department which is 1, and Philo portal which is related to education department, and wonder app is related to health department. Okay, so इसका कोड सही कोड क्या हो जाएगा? so 1 का हो जाएगा 2 then 1 then 3 and 4. so option C is the correct here which is 2 1 3 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so option C is one correct. Okay, let's come to the next question which is three new industrial area will be created in Bihar. Which industrial area is not included in this? इनमें से 3 इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया क्रिएट किया गया है बिहार में, जिसमें कि कौन सा एक इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया नहीं है. ओके, वो पूछा गया। सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज गया, मुंगेर, बेगूसराय, नालंदा। सो गया तो है, मुंगेर भी है, नालंदा भी है, बट हमारा बेगूसराय नहीं है। सो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर हेयर बिकॉज इट्स नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया। सो कौन कौन से इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया? गया, मुंगेर एंड नालंदा। ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इज इंडियाज Where is India's first national rhino breeding center established? कहाँ पे establish किया गया है? So it is in Patna Zoo, वाल्मीकि टाइगर रिजर्व, काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क और कैमूर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी। ओके, सो हम बात करते हैं। सो इट्स established in Patna Zoo. So option A is the correct answer here. एंड अगर हम बात करते हैं वाल्मीकि टाइगर रिजर्व की, तो वो कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लाई करता है? बिहार के। सो विच इज़ इन वेस्ट चंपारण। एंड इफ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैमूर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, इट्स located in the Rohtas and Kaimur district of Bihar. And if you are talking about the Kaziranga National Park, it's located in Assam, okay, which is a northeast state. So let's come to the next question, which is in Bihar, a grand corridor has been announced to be built along the lines of which temples between the Vishnupad temple in Gayaji district and Mahabodhi temple in Gayaji. So it's in Kasi Vishwanath, Mathura Janmabhoomi, Mahakaleshwar corridor, or none of the above. So answer for this question is option number A, which is Kasi Vishwanath is the correct answer. Let's come to the next question, which is Adani Group has announced to set up cement factory in Varsaliganj in which district of Bihar? So it's in Nawada, Gayaji, Rohtas or Kaimur. So answer for this question is which is located in Nawada district of Bihar. So option A is the correct answer here. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is which state government has launched Chief Minister नीरा संवर्धन योजना? नीरा संवर्धन योजना किस स्टेट के चीफ सीएम ने लॉन्च किया है? सो फर्स्ट इज उत्तराखंड, झारखंड, ओडिशा और बिहार। सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर हियर, विच इज अनाउंस्ड और लॉन्च्ड बाय द बिहार गवर्नमेंट। ओके, so let's come to the next question, which is how many industrial training institute have been declared centers of excellence under the Bihar Skill Development Campaign, which is 89, 112, 149, 179. So answer for this question is option number C, which is 149 is the correct answer. Okay, एंड आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कि अगर आपको इस जो टेस्ट है उसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैं वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी। और आप चाहे तो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम से भी चैनल में भी जुड़ सकते हैं, जहाँ पे कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स जो शेयर किया जाता है वहाँ पे जिसका लिंक भी मैं इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। ओके, सो let's come to the next question, which is what match the relevant column regarding the Bihar caste census report 2023. So first one is Hindu Muslim and first column में क्या है? So it's in column 1 religion and column 2 its percentage. Okay, so first की अगर हम बात करते हैं हिंदू, which is 81.99%, Muslim is 17.7%, Christianity is 0.05% and Jainism which is 0.0096%. Okay, so इसका कोड क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 4 and 3. So आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 4 and 3. So which is in option B is the correct one here. 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is the Bihar government has approved the formation of youth commission. Okay, youth commission select the true statement about the youth commission. Okay, so यहाँ पे youth commission के regarding true statement को select करना है. Okay, so first one is the commission will have one chairman, two vice chairmen and 7 members. The commission will be constituted by including 2 members. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct statement. Next one is the commission's main areas of focus will be employment, drug prevention and protection of youth rights. Is it true? Yes, it's also correct. Next one is the age limit of the commission's member will not exceed 45 years. Okay, so this statement is also correct. So answer for this question is option number D. All statements are true. Okay, next question is, according to the Forest Status Report 2023, the district of Bihar with the lowest percentage of forest area इन दी फॉलोइंग ऑर्डर. ओके, और इसका आंसर मैं नहीं दूंगी, इसका आंसर आप लोग मुझे दीजिएगा, क्योंकि अभी ही इसी वीडियो में मैंने पहला या दूसरा क्वेश्चन में इसका आंसर बताया है. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which is the only municipal corporation in Bihar to achieve national level success in the name of mother campaign? So first one is Patna Municipal Corporation, Ara Municipal Corporation, Saharsa Municipal Corporation, Bhagalpur Municipal Corporation. So answer for this question is option number B is the correct one, which is Ara Municipal Corporation is the correct answer here. Okay, next question is the Vikramshila Kataria Rail Bridge. Vikramshila Kataria Rail Bridge is being constructed in the Bhagalpur district. Over which river is this bridge being built? किस river पे बना है? So it's in Ganga, Ajay, Mahananda or none of the above. So answer for this question is, which is built in the Ganga river. Option A is the correct answer here. Okay, next question is, in the Khelo India Youth Game 2025, Bihar won gold medal, silver medal and bronze medal respectively. पहली बात तो जो बिहार है खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम में कितना मेडल जीता है? टोटल 36. ओके, जिसमें कि 7, 11 और 18 है. 7 is gold, 11 is silver and 18 is bronze. So option C is the correct answer here. And if you're talking about this one, so Bihar's rank is 15th in Khelo India Youth Game 2025 in 36 medals won by Bihar. And if you're talking about its mascot is Gaj Simha. Gaj Simha is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Game 2025 and इट्स हेल्ड इन, कहाँ पे इनाग्रेट हुआ, मतलब हुआ था इस बार का गेम? सो हेल्ड इन बिहार, और बिहार के 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हुआ था. ओके, सो वो कौन कौन से हैं? सो भागलपुर, बेगूसराय, पटना, राजगीर, गया. ओके, सो ऑल 5 आर हियर. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज वेयर विल अ ब्राउनफील्ड एयरपोर्ट बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड? ब्राउनफील्ड एयरपोर्ट कौन सा होता है? जो पहले से ही एयरपोर्ट बना हुआ है उसको बस रिनोवेट कर रहा है. ओके, उसके लिए फिर से नया नहीं बना रहा है, जो पहले है उसी को वर्किंग कंडीशन में ला रहा है. सो देयर इज आस्किंग विच वन इज द बिल्डिंग. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज मोतिहारी, रक्सौल, बेगूसराय, गोपालगंज, मुंगेर, सहरसा, वाल्मीकि नगर. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके, सारे जगहों पे बनाया जा रहा है ब्राउनफील्ड एयरपोर्ट. ओके, इन बिहार. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज वेयर इज द कजरा सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट? कजरा सोलर पावर प्रोजेक्ट 310 megawatt being constructed by L&T. So it's in लखीसराय, गोपालगंज, भागलपुर और गया. So answer for this question is, which is construction happened in Lakhisarai district of Bihar. Okay, so option A is the correct answer here. Next question is, in which district of Bihar was the Jarasandh Memorial Park inaugurated by the CM Nitish Kumar? Okay, जो कि Nalanda, Nawada, Purnia, Jehanabad. So answer for this question is, which inaugurated in the Nalanda district of Bihar. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, where will Khelgaon city with international facilities be built in Bihar? So which is in Patna, Nalanda, Banka and Bhagalpur. So answer for this question is option number A, which is in Patna. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is, which station will be the first developed station in Bihar अंडर दी अमृत भारत योजना? अमृत भारत योजना के अंडर कौन सा स्टेशन है जो कि फर्स्ट डेवलप्ड स्टेशन बना है बिहार का? सो फर्स्ट वन इज पटना जंक्शन, सहरसा जंक्शन, भागलपुर जंक्शन और मुंगेर जंक्शन. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन, विच इज सहरसा जंक्शन. ओके, लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज, इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार will the Mansa temple be built in the modeled after Lingaraj temple? Okay, Lingaraj temple के बाद. So it's in Madhubani, Gopalganj, Begussarai, Sitamarhi. So answer for this question is, which is Madhubani is the correct answer here. Okay, option A is correct here. Let's come to the next question, which is, where in Muzaffarpur will the mega food park be established? कहाँ पे किया गया? मोतीपुर, खुदनीपुर and Maniari and Sherpur. So answer for this question is, which is in Motipur. Option A is the correct answer here. Let's come to the next question, which is, who was the chief guest at the India Day parade held in Manhattan, New York on the occasion of 78th Independence Day? Manoj Vajpayee, Pankaj Tripathi, Sanjay Jha or Prakash Jha? So answer for this question is option number B is the correct one. Pankaj Tripathi is the chief guest at the India Parade Day held in Manhattan, which is in New York on the occasion of 78th Independence Day. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is, which player from Bihar won the silver medal in the under 19 National Boxing Championship held in Noida, UP? Okay, so first one is Paras Kunj, Samastipur, Sonam Thakur, Mumtaz Begum, Yogendra Kumar. So answer for this question is Sonam Thakur is the correct here. Okay, next question is, which of the following is incorrect regarding the Patna-Ara Sasaram Corridor project approved by the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs on March 28, 2025? So, first statement is, this corridor will be built entirely on the built operate transfer, which is boat toll mode instead of a hybrid annuity mode, HAM. Let's see. And a total approved capital cost of project is 3,712.40 crore. It's a correct statement. The construction of the 4-lane corridor will improve connectivity between Patna, Bhojpur, Rohtas district of Bihar. Yes, it's also correct. This infrastructure project will generate employment of approximately 4.8 million man days. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number A is the correct, because there is asking about the not correct statement and the statement 1 is incorrect here. Okay, because this corridor will be built not entirely, it's partially. Okay, partially on built operate transfer, which is boat toll mode or hybrid annuity mode also. Okay, both are partially doing work. So this statement is incorrect. Next one is in which district of Bihar will not benefit from the Kosi Mechi river linking project? Okay, so Araria, Kishanganj, Katihar, Saharsa. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct one, which is Saharsa is not benefited from the Kosi Mechi river linking project, except Araria, Katihar and Kishanganj are benefited. Okay, so let's come to the next question, which is match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer. Okay, so first list is list 1 is festival and celebration and list second is प्लेस, किस जगह पे सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज कौमुदी महोत्सव. कौमुदी महोत्सव सेलिब्रेटेड इन पटना. नेक्स्ट वन इज चंद्रगुप्ता साहित्य महोत्सव सेलिब्रेटेड इन दरभंगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज नंदनगढ़ महोत्सव सेलिब्रेटेड इन West Champaran, and Saurya Vedanam festival celebrated in Motihari, East Champaran. Okay, so इसका कोड क्या हो जाएगा? So A का हो जाएगा 3, then 2 का हो जाएगा 1 and C का हो जाएगा 2 and D का हो जाएगा 4. So 3124 is the correct answer. So answer is option number D is the correct one. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is in which district of Bihar is the world's largest park spread over the 3.6 lakh square feet? The Ramayan temple is being constructed in Rohtas, Purnia, East Champaran and West Champaran. So answer for this question is option number C is the correct one, which is in East Champaran. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is what percentage subsidy has the state government announced to farmers on the purchase of drone for spraying pesticides and fertilizers in the field, which is 50%, 20%, 80% or 60%. So answer for this question is option number D is correct one, which is 60% subsidy will given by the state government to the farmers on the purchase of the drone for spraying pesticides and fertilizers in their fields. Next question is the Bihar State Cabinet has approved the formation of a sports department. This will be department of the state governments 45th, 49th, 52nd and 21st. So answer is option number D. It's a 21st department of the state government. So option D is the correct one. Next question is in which city Bihar is an industrial park planned to be established on 60-70 acres under central government's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. So first statement is Gaya, Begusarai, Patna or Motihari. So answer for this question is which is in Gaya district. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Let's come to the next question, which is in which of the following is the basis of the recently announced Chief Minister Artisan Pension Scheme, which condition is mandatory? And there is asking about the true statement. So first one is the applicant must have a minimum of 10 years of experience in the field of art. Is it true? Yes, it's a correct one. Next one is this applicant must be registered on the departmental artist registration portal. It's also correct. Next one is the applicant's annual income should not exceed 1,20,000. So this is also correct. So answer for this question is option number D is the correct here, which is all statements are correct. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is in which district of Bihar is the Bateshwar hill located aluminum and laterite have been confined in the soil here? So first one is Gaya, Kaimur, Bhagalpur or Munger. So answer for this question is Bhagalpur. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is where was the Buddha Samayak Darshan Museum inaugurated? It is in Vaishali, Rajgir, Bodh Gaya or Pavapuri. So answer for this question is it's in Vaishali. Option number A is the correct answer here. Okay, let's come to the next question, which is recently the country's second Vande Bharat train maintenance depot was built in Bihar. Where in Bihar this depot under the construction? So it's in Patliputra, Barauni, Madhepura or Chhapra. So answer for this question is it is in Patliputra. So option A is the correct answer. Next question is President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the fourth agriculture roadmap for 2023 and 2023 to 2028. Consider the following statement in this context, and that is asking about the true statement. Okay, so first statement is the government will spend a total of 1.62 lakh crore on this between 2023 to 28. Yes, it's a correct statement. Next one is the 100 seeds hub and 20 millets hub are being built in the state. Yes, it's also correct. Next one is jute cultivation and the jaggery industry will be promoted. Yes, it's also correct. So answer for this question is option number D. All of the above statements are correct here. Okay, and आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ये बताइए कि पहला दूसरा और तीसरा रोड मैप कब आया था और उसका ड्यूरेशन क्या था. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. आज के लिए इतना ही. आज का कंप्लीट होता है हमारा प्रैक्टिस सेट. सो इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.